up, guys? And today, we're seeing the fireworks after the Blue Street Fire special episode, yeah. But look at this right here. Some fireworks here. Yeah, this is Joy here.
And look at the fireworks.
Yeah, look at this right here. There's a lot of fireworks. What camera focus? There we go. Look at this right here, guys. You see this? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, fireworks everywhere. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, I missed it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look up. Whoa! Oh bro, it looks like I'm going to WrestleMania. Whoa, holy! It's gonna go crazy. Whoa! It's a lot. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Fireworks. Bro. Whoa. Whoa. It's everywhere. Whoa. It's about to go crazy. Whoa. It's about to go crazy. Man, look at this. See the moon here? Wow. Oh, look at this. Come on, camera, focus. Focus camera there. Oh, man, that's a big one. Bro, look at this. Oh. Bro, man, look at this. Whoa. Man, there's a lot of fireworks. Whoa. Bro, look at this right here. You can see there's the fireworks. Shoot.
Hey guys, look at Gracie.
Whoa.
I know it's hot.
Wow. Look at this right here. Whoa. Oh my God. What the heck? Look at this. Look at the fireworks. Whoa. What? What the heck? What the heck? Oh my God. Look at this right here. There's the fireworks everywhere. Look at those pyros. Yeah! Woo! It's going crazy now! It's going to go crazy! Look at that. It's about to go crazy! What? It's about to go crazy, guys! Oh man, look at this! Oh my God! Whoa! Bro! There's some fireworks! Whoa. Look at this. Yeah! Bro, look at this right here! The fireworks! Whoa! Well guys, we're gonna keep watching the fireworks, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe. And make sure to turn the notification button so you guys won't miss the video. I'll see you next time. Happy 4th July. It's not over. I'm getting distracted about the fireworks right now. But yeah, so if you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. And have a happy 4th of July. Bye. Welcome to part 2, guys, of the fireworks. And yeah! Wow, look at this. This is all the, yeah, that's my dad over here. Whoa! Ah man, I missed it on the camera. Bro, look. Oh yeah, Jay! Let's go and crazy! Happy 4th of July! Whoa! Jay is going everywhere. Look at this right here. See me pointing to that firework? Look at this. Bro. Oh! My favorite. My favorite thing is when the fireworks. Yeah, it's going crazy. That's my favorite. When the fireworks go crazy, that's my favorite. But yeah, we're gonna keep watching more of the fireworks. See you next time.